Today, I'll be reviewing Legal Files, a popular legal management platform. If you're in a law office or need to manage legal documents and cases, this software might catch your eye. Let's dive right into its features, starting with the main dashboard. Legal Files offers a clean, organized interface that's designed to minimize clutter and help you stay on top of your tasks. You can manage your cases, contacts, and documents all in one place. Navigating through Legal Files is pretty intuitive. It's got a sidebar for easy access to the most important features, including case files, documents, contacts, and calendar. You can customize this view to fit your needs. A feature that stands out is its case management system. It allows you to track case progress, associate documents, set deadlines, and manage tasks. Perfect for staying organized in a busy law office. When it comes to document management, Legal Files excels. You can easily upload, store, and organize documents directly within the platform. It integrates with other file systems, making it easier to centralize your case information in one place. Plus, the document search functionality is robust, saving you time when looking for specific files. One thing I appreciate is how well it handles workflow automation. You can set up automatic reminders, notifications, and deadlines for cases and tasks, which helps reduce the risk of missing important events. This functionality can be a game changer if you're managing multiple cases at once. Many useful links can be found in the description, so make sure to check it out after watching the video. Another key feature of Legal Files is its reporting capabilities. You can generate reports on case status, billing, and time tracking. This is especially useful for law firms that need to monitor their billable hours or track the overall performance of their cases. Legal Files also offers a cloud-based option, which means you could access your data securely from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. The software integrates with various third-party applications like Microsoft Office and accounting systems, which makes it easier to sync your work across different platforms. However, it's worth noting that the learning curve can be a little steep for new users, especially if you're not familiar with legal management software. In conclusion, Legal Files is a solid tool for managing cases, documents, and workflow in a legal environment. Its extensive feature set, combined with its user-friendly interface, makes it a great option for law firms looking to boost productivity and stay organized. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.